Welcome to Digital Nikitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add floating social media icons to your WordPress site using the Divi theme. This is a great way to make it easy for your visitors to connect with you on social media. Let's get started. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Select Page. Next, navigate to Pages and select the page where you want to add the floating social media icons. Click on Edit with Divi to open the Divi Builder. Click on the black plus icon to add a new module. In the module search bar, type Social Media Follow and select it. Add the social media icons you want to include by selecting the appropriate social media networks and adding your profile URLs. Click on the Advanced tab. Scroll down to the Position settings and select Fixed from the drop-down menu. In the Location settings, choose where you want to place the floating icons on your page, e.g., top right, bottom left, etc. Click on the Design tab. Select Sizing and adjust the width, height, and other size-related settings to fit your design preferences. Click Save to save your settings. Finally, visit your page to see the floating social media icons in action. And that's it! You've successfully added floating social media icons to your WordPress site using the Divi theme. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon for more updates.